Hello everyone, welcome to another Waterloo Tech vlog. Today we're going to be talking about Python. First thing, why should you learn Python? Python is still the most used language worldwide in the software industry. And this graphic here you're seeing, PYPL, uses a measure of how often language tutorials are searched for on Google to do its rankings. Python is number one by a wide margin there. Python is also very easy to understand, meaning if you're in an interview, even if the problem is phrased in another language, you can respond in Python, and the interviewers will still be able to assess if you understand the core algorithm that they are looking for. What Python offers over other languages? Since Python is the most used industry language, it also has the widest range of open source libraries available. So if you run into a specific problem, usually there is a free library you can use to solve it more easily than some other languages. As well, Python has simpler syntax. As you can see on the screen, it's more like natural language rather than a coding language. This isn't universal. Python is a high-level language, so doing high-level things like checking if an element is in an array has simpler syntax than C++. However, the opposite is also true. Doing low-level things with Python, like controlling motors in a microcontroller, will have more complicated syntax usually. However, this is also usually hidden in a library. That's another one of the advantages of Python. Python is used for a wide range of careers, the most popular being web design and data science or machine learning. But it's also used for software quality testing and a wide range of other applications. I hope that given this short demo, you have a better grasp of why you should learn Python. See you next time.